Another federal interest rate hike sent the U.S. stock market plunging today.
It had a triple-digit rally early on, then it all went away.
Yeah, the Dow ended the day down 352 points. This is getting to be a regular thing, or about 1.5%. The Nasdaq was down 145 points, and the S&P also lost almost 40.
Veronica De La Cruz is here with the Fed's big move. Veronica?
Yeah, that's right, Liz. And Ken, the interest rate hike came despite objections from President Trump.
Financial markets around the world were listening as the U.S. Federal Reserve issued its verdict on interest rates. The central bank announced the fourth increase this year, hiking the benchmark short-term rate by a quarter point to a range of 2.25% to 2.5%. Fed Chairman Jerome Powell explained the decision.
This is the best year since the financial crisis. You've had growth well above trend. We think this move was appropriate for what is a very healthy economy.
The Fed's rate hikes are meant to keep inflation in check, but higher rates make it more expensive for consumers and businesses to borrow money, and that feeds into concerns about another recession. Jitters over the economy have already taken a big toll on Wall Street. The stock market has dropped about 12% over the past 2 months and could post its first annual loss in a decade. President Trump weighed in on Twitter twice this week, trying to discourage the Fed from raising rates. On Monday, he wrote, "It's incredible the Fed is even considering another rate hike." And on Tuesday, he warned the Fed not to make another mistake. But the Fed's job is to set monetary policy regardless of political pressure.
Political considerations play no role whatsoever in our discussions or decisions about monetary policy.
Just a few months ago, the Fed forecast 3 rate hikes for next year. But with signs of a global economic slowdown, policymakers are now predicting no more than 2.
Now, the Fed adjusted its outlook to project that economic growth will slip 2.3% next year, and that is down slightly from the earlier estimate of about 2.5%, Ken.
Wow, numbers moving all over. All right, Veronica, thank you for that.